Join me as I search for the best Christmas gift this season under £10 that will wow your friends and family, yet you won't break the bank. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is OSARO, and if you're coming across this face for the very first time, don't make it your last. Kindly subscribe to join this amazing family. Let's get right into this video. When it comes to Christmas gifts for our loved ones, our friends, our family, it's easy to get caught up in the fact that we think the more expensive the gift or the item is, the more thoughtful. But in this video, I will shock you with items you can get under £10, like I said, and still wow your family members. The first gift is a gift you can give your colleagues, your friends. It could be a pen. What do I mean by a pen? A writing pen. It could be those colorful gel pens. For me personally, I love writing. And when I write with all these colorful pens on my book, it gives me more reason to go back to what I've written, to check. I just admire what I've written, whether it makes sense or not. But for the fact that I've written with a colorful pen, I'm very excited. So you can gift them colorful pens. If you know they like writing, even if they don't like writing, it will encourage them to write. Aside the regular blue or black pen, we have different colors. It could be green, pink, yellow, gold. There are so many pens out there, and at times they come in packs. You can get these pens for like £5, £7, depending on the quality, which is less than £10, right? Another Christmas present could be a potted plant, like the one I have behind me. I got this one from IKEA, by the way, and it was, I don't remember how much I got it now, but it was very cheap and affordable. It could be live plants, it could be plastic plants, but it's the thought that counts. And like I said in the beginning of this video, at times we buy things very expensive, thinking that they will cherish, our friends, family members will cherish the gift because it's expensive. It must not necessarily be expensive. It's the thought that counts. So you can get a potted plant, either live plant or plastic plant. And just look at this. If someone gives you a gift like this for Christmas, this is how it comes, but you can go the extra mile of getting this. This comes in gold and silver. Like I said, got it from IKEA, but you can find it anywhere. We have things like this in B&M. We have things like this in Home Bargains for those of us in the UK. And those outside the UK, probably in Canada, we have places like Dollar Store, Dollarama, where you can get cheap and affordable items like this. You could even get better pots than this one. This one is just basic plain, but there are more beautiful pots that once you gift the person, and the person will be like, wow, this is so thoughtful. And you can use to decorate your space. Like, doesn't it make a difference? It's really nice and I love it. Another gift idea is the gourmet coffee. You could get them a bag if you wish. It's very affordable and less than £10, because people around this part of the world, they take a lot of coffee. Some do tea, and this Christmas season, trust me, there are a variety of tea bags outside, from Aldi, Lidl, Sainsbury's. Just go and check. At times you can even get for £5, and they'll really appreciate it if they are tea or coffee drinkers. That's another great idea. Like I said, it's the thought that counts. And then we have practical gifts. It could be a notepad. For those that like writing, you can give this to your friends, you can give this to your colleagues, you can give this to your family members. Just go out there. You can even get it online, Amazon. Very nice, beautiful notepads for under £10. Encourage them to write this 2025 that we're entering. Let them journal. And trust me, I think you can even get a set of notepad and one colored pen for less than £10, depending on where you check. You can also gift them a pair of cozy stockings. in this cold weather during the holiday season that everyone wants to just cozy up, just wants to lay in bed, all covered up because the weather is cold. Get them either a customized Christmas socks or even a plain one. You can get from places like Primark. I mean, you can get 2 pairs of socks, plain socks, for £2.50, if I'm correct. Yeah, £2.50. And you can go as well as getting that of £5. Anything less than £10 is okay. You must not get the one of £2.50 because it's very cheap. And you can also go to other places like Next. Yeah, you can find those kind of cozies. You can find it anywhere, any clothing store, as well as online for very affordable rates. And trust me, these socks are very quality. The fact that you got it from Primark doesn't mean that the quality is less. But if you want to get more branded item, you can go to places like Next, you can go to places like H&M and still get good socks. Then scented soaps and scented candles. This cold season, you use your candle a lot. And even aside being cold, just to give your house a nice scent, a nice vibe. Aldi, Lidl, in fact, all these stores, they usually have Christmas scented candles. You can go and pick whichever one you like. At times they come in sets. That's 3 candles in a pack, very affordable, or even one big, medium, small candle. So far it's scented and the scent is nice, you can get it for them. Or if they prefer scented soap, if you think or know they'll prefer scented soap, taking your bath, it will encourage you to shower. When you think of the fact that I like the scent of this soap, even if you don't want to shower, you must go and shower. Just joking, but honestly, scented soap is also a good idea. How about sentimental items? It could be a personalized keychain or a key holder, as some people call it. You could get things like this on Etsy. Go to Etsy, search for personalized or customized items. Write whatever little note, that means a lot to this person or to you in question. It could be a word of encouragement. It could be a Bible verse, something unique for both of you that will impact the person, and as well, very affordable. It's the thought that really counts and not the amount of money you spend on that item. There's this what's it called, this Christmas market. We have it here in Liverpool, and I'm sure they have it all over the UK and probably some countries outside of the UK. You can get customized crafted ornaments as well, still under £10. You can write the person's name, you can write the entire family of this person if the person is married, or just their surname. Put the year you bought it for them. It's really a thoughtful gift, very affordable. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you don't need to break the bank to get gifts for people this season. In this video, I've covered a variety of gifts. There's something for everyone in your space or everyone you wish to give. Just pick from whichever one you prefer, and you can also add your own. Remember, it's the thought that counts and not the price tag. Okay? You can show you care without breaking the bank. I hope this video has inspired you to get something very affordable for your friends, your family members this season. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share your own budget ideas in the comment section. Till I come your way again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join this amazing family. Happy holidays and remain blessed.